abroad, both for government and the private. You cannot do the autopsy abroad. What it means is you need to carry the body from the morgue and to that lab. They can't do that. Even government will not authorize it. You want to be carrying dead body to Spain, it will not happen. What they would do is to do the autopsy. It was done in Nigeria by a team of pathologists led by that pathologist Postman was referring to, who is also a specialist in UCH Ibadan. And let me get this also clear. Someone that does not have license to practice medical profession in a territory, the result will not be accepted. It is that person that will be the consultant and everything will be channeled through him. And that was why the pathologist in Ibadan was the one that they consulted, is the consultant, is the one that chose where they have to do the toxicology, is the one that led the team to do the autopsy, which was done strictly in a facility. Even the facility I know, but it's not my job to talk about. Because the court will verify everything. Now, when you check legal jurisprudence, the jurisprudence of the inquest and the Nigerian court is on Nigerian territory. At the same time, it gives allowance for auxiliary investigation that you don't have facility in Nigeria. But those things must be through an accredited non-professional in Nigeria that is authorized to practice in Nigeria. Who we now bring it is like a doctor sending someone abroad for medical surgery. It is a doctor that will send you there from Nigeria. They need to take document. That hospital cannot come to Nigeria and just carry you. It will not happen. Now that is what was done on this. Now you've been asking question, are you sure? Are you sure? You simply have to trust the process. You simply have to trust this process. And I don't see reason why the family will not, if you don't trust the government, on toxicology that was sent to NMS in Pennsylvania, America, through the Lagos State Forensic Center, and it was sent to Dr. Richard Somari's laboratory. Somari himself is an adjunct professor in a university in Pennsylvania. He has established laboratory, as a matter of fact, 3 locations in Pennsylvania.
Exactly.
He has that company that is overseen by his son and his wife are the one that the Lagos State DNA and Forensic Center sent it through with. All those were legal. Legality inside is this. The director at Lagos State DNA Center is also the owner of that laboratory. You could see favorism in it. However, I will still come to that. Now to the private one the family did. I don't see reason why we should be doubting the family if the family doubted that of the government. Now the family will ensure that the samples taken for toxicology, which is not done in Nigeria, it will be the exact sample, number 1. Number 2, the consultant that handled it has his long-time career to protect. Under no circumstance will that man joke with his career on this case. And the only thing he asked them when he was consulted was, don't put my name outside because I can see how people are dragging people. Because many people drag professional, those who don't even know the alphabet of the profession. They drag them based on their insinuation and their feelings, which is not good for the profession. So any professional that wants it so, we want to stay away. And that was why it was very difficult for many pathologists in Nigeria to get involved in Mohbad's case. Because online, people don't understand. Once they don't understand someone, what is going on, and someone comes with one story that touch, they take him from now to Jericho. So that man stayed away. But he didn't stop his job. He did his job professionally. Because I did all this background, whatever. He did his job professionally. And the man is a man of timber and caliber in his profession.
Thank you.
So I do not see how that man will now send a sample that is not what he wants to check. He won't do that. And one of the reasons why the cost of transportation was expensive, as Bosman said, was because they took extra care and provided more insulated carrier for it to be carried through DHL. And they ensure that these things were done professionally. The government wouldn't have intercepted. And I don't think the family, but this is what happened. It now happened that the result of their autopsy was not different from what the government did.
Exactly.
It also happened that even their own toxicology, they did more in-depth analysis because their own toxicology was more expensive than the one the government did. And what they tested for were times 3 or 4. But let me just say 100% more than what government look for. They look for everything that people have been talking about. Look for enough poison, enough toxin that they could look for. And everything came out.
Historiological, whatever. Oh, yes. The time he died,
They did everything, the time he died, everything came back negative. Hence, if a professional is going to read that, including the autopsy that was done, it's going to come out inconclusive. The result is negative. Everything you look for. So there is no difference between the family owned, which is private postmortem, from what the government did. Hence, why every one of them hide their face.
Exactly.
And that is the truth of it. But did they spend money? Yes, they spent money. As a matter of fact, when I did calculation, the man there was money that the man, because of his coming out of station, they paid for hotel accommodation.
Exactly.
For many things, going to like over 500,000. If you plus out everything they spent, it was around 20.5 million naira.
No. It's not up to that, sir.
Check it out. It's not up to that.
It's not up to that, sir.
The total cost for both autopsy and toxicology came down to 16 million.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
Right?
Yes.
Now, the money that was used to transport was around 1.7 million.
No, maybe 1.2. Not up to 1.2.
No, it was up to 1.7 if you, and I think, add hotel cost and all that. If you look at it, yes, if you look at it, it's coming to like 19 something.
Okay.
So, if you deduct that amount, at that time when they put money in the that account that they put, that good fund,
Academic Institute
rates that was used there were around 1,750 or so, or 1,650. Just do better calculation.
Do you know that the money that they
I'm not even
package,
interested in that.
the money they used to package to send it,
The money they used for the
was
package
given by
different money.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, was given. Maybe Bayo collected his money back. I don't know.
Exactly, yes.
Yes, I don't know. But we'll have to accord. But there is something I just want to put out is this. We don't need to suspect whether the sample they sent were wrong. They went to a professional. That man is a big gun.
He's a big man, no. When I was about to be reading out his listing to honorable like this.
He will not do
He will not want to jeopardize his name.
He will not want to do that. He will not want to do that. And I think that. Now, let me go back to the one government thing. You know, Bossman, when you guys went for the protest, if you remember, I said in one of my commentary that going for that protest, I see it as a pilgrimage for everybody. Because on a nice day, if I am the NNS people, I can call police on all those people and they be arrested because they are constituting nuisance. And this is why
the police were aware.
Wait. This is why I said so. Number one, Lagos State Forensic and DNA Center sent the sample to, I've forgotten the name of
Okishere, right? That's his name, right?
No, Somari. Richard Somari. They sent it to his laboratory. His laboratory is Lagos State clients. Now, that is who Lagos State is dealing with. Now, that laboratory now send the sample to NMS. You can see that hand don't change that. Now, the first set of people that went to make inquiry from NMS when it came out, when the commissioner mentioned it, was they were asking for Mohbad's name, something from Lagos State they will never give you. It's like the three of us on this platform. Bossman, I sent something.
Integrated technology and service in NMS.
Thank you. Now, Bossman, I sent something to you. You are my client, right? My name, Aristocrat, will be in your record that you have something for me. You now send that thing to Yetunde Special. In the record of Yetunde Special, who will be our client? Is it me or you? It's going to be you. You are going to be our client. Now, someone now comes out and says, I want to know where the progress of that is. And they now give the person Yetunde's business. You now send inquiry to Yetunde that you are looking for Aristocrat, this, that. Yetunde will tell you I don't have it in my record. Because Aristocrat is not Yetunde's client. It is Bossman that is Yetunde's client. And that was the error. The error was Lagos State DNA Forensic Center consulted that Somari laboratory in Pennsylvania. They did not say Pennsylvania laboratory.
Aristocrat, no, they did not say that.
Directly.
When we went to
wait. You know they didn't say that in Berekete.
Exactly.
But investigation. Investigation showed that there is a middleman. Exactly. And that investigation, myself, Susie, we came out with it to tell people. And this was my own issue with that case. Was number one, why did the state keep the sample for that long? Why they know that in medical investigation, the longer the specimen, the less the accuracy. If it is very fair, you get good accuracy. They took the sample the first week, they did that autopsy in Lagos State Road, and they kept it in a place. And they kept it until we came out on Berekete. They now rushed to do it. They sent it out. Because it was after Berekete that they gave us the actual date they will collect it. And if you look at the report of NMS, it specified when the sample got to them. And it specified how long they can keep that record in their system before they destroy it. It also specified that if they need further investigation, they recommended some samples they need to carry out. Lagos State only did the most basic sample, which was between $700 and $1,000. They did not go to the most detailed sampling, which is like 2,500 to 3,500 if you check the rate of NMS. So Lagos State did some things that were not good. Now, people now going to attack NMS. NMS will be dumbfounded because Lagos State was never their clients. Yes, they could have that name that you are asking of, but under the rule, they can't release it.
The new iPhone 7.
As what I have started for, I have to also respect the rights of police officers. So people assume that, by not insulting, cursing out police officers or individual police officers means that you're not doing activism. That's their own understanding. Well, if you listen carefully to the things I dip my hand into, you will know it is not child's play. So basically, whoever has been part of this high-handed conspiracy to package these preliminary reports, they felt like we're going to be exposed. But the real truths are already embedded. in the preliminary investigation. One thing that this investigation failed to actually highlight is number one, which is the center of the investigation, is that Mohbad began to bleed profusely by 3 a.m. Integrity. They still believe that the Nigerian police is the hub of injustice. They believe the Nigerian police is the center and the melting pot of business. Like, they are only doing business there. They don't care about what they use the police to do that will have effect on themselves, on their children. It's quite funny sometimes when you look at the lifestyle. If you look at, let me say 19% of police officers, go and check their parents, go and check their children, check their own lives. They fail to understand that that position they are in is so pivotal to the overall well-being of a nation. We cannot do without police. We'll see a protest nationally. You cannot remove police from the constitution. Even if we protest over, no leader will say we are now disbanding police. No. We can only ask that people should be held accountable in the police force. It means that as a police officer or as a civilian, working with police officers to destroy the basic idea the country stands for, which is justice, it's waiting for your children. Even these police officers, they serve them in justice on a regular basis. When they die without honor. Only those of them that stand on the pedestal of honor, that respect that uniform, you will see that one way or the other, as vets, they retain that honor. But how many of them are really getting the basic constant education and orientation that police uniform, it might look black, it is actually a white uniform. Your utterances, your greed, your conduct can bring stain to that uniform. So when they ought, I say, let's cover it up. And Nigerians, we have failed to understand that there are some parts of the Constitution that has already enslaved majority of the police officers, the other officers. They are asked not to speak some certain things. When the leadership wants to destroy the country, they say it is insubordination if you do otherwise. When you ask us as police officers to go, you are telling an entire command, go and lie that will destroy the country, the states. One person. The lie or the conspiracy that would have effects on their own children. And then they go ahead and do it. And they're not saying, I want to share the number and they're serious. We have a dysfunctional constitution that has enslaved even the Nigerian police officers that are not in position of authority, of leadership in this country. It is time for Nigerians, the youth, our family, who are intelligent, like we stop distancing yourself from the political circle. You must play a part and say, we want to change this kind of law. We want to change the narrative of this country. The revolution, some people think, should come through violence. Revolution can come through our collective sensitivity and playing our path in election, in governance, being part of a serious NGOs to say, Tabani Katuluishi as a human rights organization, should we benefit NGOs will never be established to actually benefit your own self. It's to help people that you don't even know. I know how many cases I've attended to, personally, offline. I still have a case I'm attending to that didn't come on social media. So when you see that, you see the role the Baba played again. On that KG stuff, the girl received a threat, and that lady, Buki Jesse, helped the Baba, the Gracie and the Sako family to dissuade all of you and say your family was the one lying. And Joru Eniye, in the padà gbé Ọlánkọ. Ẹ bá fi wọ́n ṣe pé mọ́. Ipò tí wọ́n ti fi kọ́ anybody lọ́rùn. Ẹlòmíì, ẹ wo majority of them will find it very difficult today to reverse. Anyway, on top of activism of your boy, I know what I'm saying is the truth. Can my name drag and you expect me to fall for it? Why am I an activist? Why did God create me with the energy, the mental strength to pursue cases like this? Vital information suddenly people were coming. I know God will forgive some of you that asked that God should forgive you that you were wrong in your judgment. Meanwhile, previously I already pointed to it, but the majority do not understand what investigation is all relevant. Now, to balance of Papa, if you buy this is you don't need to consult me again. All you need to do is go in front of your son's house and you don't want to look to the left and the camera because camera must be outside. That will be in full clear. Or go hide this vehicle. All you need to do is move to the left, check. Move to the right, check. Even if you don't want to have any conversation with me, then you will run in contact. And if you want CCTV, then it's all. Because there might be other CCTV that have even captured something there. But instead of that, all they did was create central CCTV was think about it. Before you know it, all those people don't run by it because of the crumbs of a link, our learning, bigger voice. They messed up. Even my presentation. They start looking for holes. What is shaking country? What is Soraju? What is back country? At the end of the day, they still do not know where the CCTV is. Not until Famiwa, Buki Jesse, Adako, and the codes got the direct police CCTV on and destroy. One tricks in mind, you need to know how much was spent. How much was spent to actually retrieve that circumstantial evidence. Me your body kill your need, but I kill your phone on the number of and they say it publicly to the same people that are still supporting. I'm money low, we are not back. It's quite a shame that this same set of people believe they can continue to give support to such a person. I'm sorry if this country is working well. Follow case provide properly. Abamban will not escape prison terms. He has committed serious crime. He is on the surface level. He is already indicted. Meanwhile, if we go deeper, he has committed more. And it will still be reviewed very soon. Now let's now go to let's go to the natural one that came. The same people that want to destroy or acted together to destroy this will come out and tell you justice is not for Baleri. On top of it, people in the rich share here. Because you buy any down the com. In Compro, she machine. You mean what you put left me. Go back and shell it. But I crook up my credit because the roles you all played in come by you. But when you very well here when you saw Chicago, because at the end of the day, the 3 seconds came. The first person, Saku Biti wanted to destroy the 3 seconds and the confession was Saku Ambadinon. The book he just said got the information. Who gave her the information? And you could know same tactics, but you know. Funny email with DJ Bami, you can see how they made a mess of your IQ, guys. In a normal society, wherever our justice seekers that are not giving you too much talking, and you're sharing your head about full audience. Why would somebody come out? Your family, you know, they call it Kifuno. The Beyond Lawal, that Buki just said is away, but all be young bad at a Drasile at a King White. And you are not for information, whatever about bad. And compare long with your company. Justice. All these things that you have done, do you think it doesn't have consequence? It's just a divine song. When she did that, there is nothing that stops anybody. Calm down, confession from Adura. She TikTok Adura. She like, the best thing is to allow proper investigation. She said, "Boya Buki just say you mo pe emi o pe ni to je DJ Bami abi fi lo gbe bayi." She like, "Come on. Anybody pariwo ya ta so you go what you want e money. I don't even know address and I mean that Adura like e mo bo se. But ask yourself in your honesty, in the comment section, what if you share on that? What at cost level you? Okay, what will be so? I'm what am I trying to convince me money? I want to send a video. What is all this nonsense? Video. Look at the room. She thought she's a voice. She thought Montobashi would do today. Because I am speaking as a parent, as somebody that has conscience. Going to your Bible and see from I did not see where it shows that I am here for money or for whatever. I now saw the reason why immediately I finished my birthday and housewarming. Sold my car, thinking I was going to America, because since it's for booking my wife, to go imagine where I go, it's a shame. So he put me in a situation whereby I'll be so convinced that this thing is natural. Now, despite all the attacks, attempt to silence me, I still pushed on. Then the Caribou switched. You should carry on. You start to carry on. Even as a matter of fact, to I was away, shot here and all me, video one of me, share balloon, no share binu, and it's where I don't share my book. Clearly, no share balloon, where I'm very holding. I shared with her because one of the video, one of my monolith bad, one of my man do Adura, who said, but it's one of my somebody. I didn't know, they don't get Adura by comment section, it's where I'm going to Adura, sorry, you said, wow. Okay, what's the same when they didn't DM about? What he said in the DM, nobody knew. I was going to a public line, share my okay, I shared with her. Look at this. Okay, confirm you don't raise alarms or not. If I take definite action with the police, I have to be sure I am dealing with the right location. Just one person. And everybody would thought, and she's on the side of the public, she's trustworthy. I dealt with then But eventually, maybe they break down, they did that, and she needed to start changing at home. And they would always play it as if it's the public who are involved. Can I have a car? 50,000 Kosile. Let me face your combo. Oh my God. Do I look like a puppet? Do I look like a pushover? Kick and start. I'll speak to some people very well. I'll have to consult. And I consulted recently. In Benin, Lagos State Police Command. But when there is fire on the mountain, after we have done everything, even the public knew that, even at that time, the Lagos State Police Command had already compromised. But who will pursue it? That family did that claim. One more stage, Baba Muhammad said, "Me one day," so that the one will face up with the worker. That is psychology for you. The same Baba was sweet there. On the Carbonari TV, Empire. She, Bobon to Shelley, not over your call. Show the workers that. They told him, Baba, you have to be there. One person must act like he's fighting on behalf of the family. The only thing in his mind is, what why she go coin? But Bonko don't involve what the Papa if you call it, Tamashile. Tobacco Funke, Washile. He cannot still believe they used him that way, they used him to bury the evidence, and then they still want to carry the entire property to the lake. No, that's the reason why they are fighting. When it comes to justice, part of packing away. So the moment they realize that there is a new lead, then the next thing for them to do is no. How do we start to water it down? And he told the patient and then he consulted the real agents, to start watering it down. Only voice. Activism, public influence, you are donating to his NGO, I'm canvassing for votes for the NGO. It's a substance meeting flow. It's all about the local because when you speak, people like it's social media. I've got a match here for our buyer, who are drama. Maybe on social media. So about 1,000 for and they start to like that's about borrowing. That was when she thought that Moshikino, Montini Uruko, coming. Montini Uruko, and she's better off. Big job was young. But I'm not going to be backing down. And now she did that pure evil. Tried to dissuade and said, did you buy me living in Koloji phone? She accused me of a serious crime. When I got to England, I was supposed to pick up a case. Because of all I was stepping down. But I don't have the energy for Matt. I say, okay, my brother, don't watch the case, but step it down for now. If I'm going to pick up the case, I'll do it later. I need to know who is after my life. I need to know who exactly is after my life. So basically, she tried to do that. It didn't work well. Baba Wadi of the consultant anyway. He cannot come out and tell us. Okay? Come and bring the law Baba Egbe. Is Adura Shindra Kalaba is supporting you in fighting justice for your son. In his conscience, to have a ball on the boy. To have a clear let to go there to the person who had a son, go land so she Adura or here. She don't buy you white justice for bad. She Adura white justice for bad. Every young body can be. To have a give you power to go. Compound as a way. She Adura. At the Darusha. She won't buy you white justice for bad. So when you are no to here, I'm popular to here. And these two people that are so close to him in the family want the white justice. You, the father, is not deceiving the taking the battle against Adura. The first enemy in this justice for Mohbad is Adura and Darusha. And he is not doing anything. The only time he wanted to do something, in fact, I plan. So he is just interested in dragging people, dragging him, man, and these truths are out there. People keep saying, you lose your wife. And they keep deceiving themselves. There are a team of lawyers that are piling stuff up, and we're going to be taking it up against it very shortly. I will fight to the end. Me, anybody, I don't also for you, yeah, don't damage it. It just go by no matter if go by at all look new. So it's a good at all. We should have that want to live. You put it on a long because or machine. And it will continue to fail. So the lady Bukije said did all she can, true with her co-travelers. They messed it up and they lied against me again. Some of you fell for it. It's quite a shame. You're me and Kidikon, no, still come. Look at it. I'm not going to back it down. Meanwhile, some people that were even claiming to be supporting me, I don't know, she didn't make it back. You don't know where to stand. But if I saw my name, you saw. So many you saw. But I have to say the truth. These were the problems that I was facing. It's a straightforward case. Mohbad's case is a clear-cut case. I want to call me Dr. Tasi. To get what I mean. All the time in play, one of them, all of us, all of them. Story for you, and you wait till you pull out right now. If you know how these people lie and concoct stories, you cannot see clearly that justice for Mohbad is not going to be fought and won on social media only. The real battle is offline. That's why a lot of people think by now Mohbad don't need justice because they thought, but you know, because symptoms of one way, enjoy. Whatever. We launched a complaint, a legitimate complaint. He called out make it to involve an investigation. To have it down along into Sorosio at the Beshi White Gloria. He called it actually until he gave him as a woman about the justice. Until he gave him one of his own Otagari. They're starting to twisting it connection. Shall you don't know me? Shall you don't know to go see a run? To be shouting. Shall I go and say, "Oh, not see that by on social media." Shall I go to the case of my don't share forgetting? So now I have more than 7 people to be facing murder charges. To investigate for murder. Shall family will be Sasakusa? And some of you still will not understand the meaning of bail. In most cases, the only time anybody should be denied bail is if the person is a flight risk or is a threat to public peace. But if you are not a flight risk and you are not a threat to public peace, you deserve your bail until the investigation is concluded or the trial is concluded and verdict is made. Or because they are raised with drugs abuses, I believe when about the phone bail in cases in hand. Shadow your heart phone bail. To enjoy freedom and do the work and die for later. Or not about the Daniel. But I want to phone bail, don't see arrest Abuja at the doctor. For when the case is going to go to court, wash my bow my island. But it's not this way. Everybody turn down, see. Because the way I approach people are doing this stuff, people are not doing it with a legitimate, concrete, strong, agile mind to pursue cause of justice. It's talking on things that you don't even have an idea about. People will walk offline, they will stay online to destroy, they people's efforts and analyze and destroy it. It's not going to make sense. You can contribute. You can analyze to suggest to cushion efforts. But the moment you start tearing stuff down, forcing people to say what they shouldn't say, your shame analysis is pure wickedness or arrogance or ignorance. And that's why I will now, look at it at the state people say Mohbad can't get justice. Now was only going to make it legal. When they took the case, or one she investigation to watch a cancer, or one of the other case. DSP Ibrahim was a close homicide. He personally messaged me and said, based on your stuff today, let's say what I say here, based on your petition to the president on the correct, because before they can, you people don't even understand what is going on. Before they can go to a state where there is jurisdiction to say, homicide investigation that she has shared and all the evidence duplicates it. The presidency they've given the order that we should go and investigate and do this. I will push it even with his number. And I push his number at the other time. I will talk with my head. He messaged me, why did you put my head? You're a public officer now. I'm working to restore public trust in the Nigerian police, public trust in the people, so that people can understand the nitty-gritty of why they should play.